Hello students, today we'll start lecture number 3. We'll continue the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. So another type of property. Number 1, if tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. What is the property? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. If x is positive, y is positive and xy less than tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Both x and y positive and xy less than 1. These two should multiply, it becomes less than 1 only. Fine? Multiplying x and y always less than 1. Then what is the formula? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Both x and y are positive and xy less than 1. So what is here? Let tan inverse of x is equal to a. 1a, 1b. Therefore, tan a equal to x and tan inverse of y equal to b. Therefore, tan b equal to y. Now consider tan of x plus y formula. Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So you know this formula in first year, the compound angle. Tan of x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan of x plus y equal to, this is, better you take, this is a. Consider tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a plus b equal to tan a value x plus y by 1 minus xy. So what is the inverse? A plus b equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay? So it implies a value tan inverse of x, b value tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So this is the important property. When given both are in terms of tan inverse, even sin inverse cos inverse is given, means convert into tan inverse. But it is very easy to solving this problem. Both are tan inverse. Okay? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. For example, tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 6, because 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 less than 1. Tan inverse of 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 6 equal to tan inverse of 1 pi by 4. This is x, this is y, and x into y multiplying, it is less than 1. So when it is multiplying these two xy less than 1 means this is x, this is y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 5 by 6. This also 5 by 6. You know what is the value of tan inverse of 1? Pi by 4, principal value. You take minus second one, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of. Similarly, we can prove one is A angle, one is B angle. Consider tan of A plus B, no? Tan of A minus B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is x minus y by 1 plus xy. And xy greater than minus 1. दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करें ना x एंड y ग्रेटर देन -1 रहना. x into y multiplying greater than -1, now it's correct. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. What is the condition? Both x and y positive and xy less than greater than -1. Okay, xy greater than -1. So another is third one. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, x if x is positive, y is positive and xy greater than 1. So another formula, this is, you can do homework on, okay? This A and B is very simple. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse, this is without derivation, that no proof also is there. Even this also not there, just I am giving that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse is pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1. Both x and y are positive, xy is greater than 1. Suppose both are multiplying xy greater than 1, pi plus xy less than 1, you have to remove that pi. Okay, this is also important property. 3 are there. One, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy if xy less than 1, if tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to pi plus tan inverse of x plus 1 if xy greater than 1, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy greater than -1. Okay, for example, tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3, tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3. So pi plus tan inverse of 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 6, x plus y, this x, this y, x plus y by 1 equal to pi plus tan inverse of 5 divided by -1, pi minus pi by 4. Tan inverse of -1 is minus pi by 4. So what about this answer? Pi 3 pi by 4. Even 1 marks question, what is the value of tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3? So this is very simple 1 marks question. X into y multiply, it is greater than 1. So greater than 1, that's pi ek add karna bas. Okay, so when you only tan inverse xy less than 1 means that pi is not comes. Okay, pi minus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. And another example, this one, this tan inverse of 1 by 2 minus tan inverse of 1 by 3, and tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6, tan inverse of 3 minus 2, 1 by 5. LCM is 6, 3 minus 2, 1 by 6, this is 5 by 6, 1 by 5. Next property. So I don't know that what is the serial number, just I am taking one property. First one, 2 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Second, 2 tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And number 3, 2 into tan inverse of x, sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, so these are 2 into tan inverse. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 times of tan inverse of x. Okay, so what is this is modulus of x less than 1. This is condition. What is the modulus of x? X lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So in this case, x is positive, x greater than or equal to 1. But here, minus 1 plus 1. X lies between. So here, the first one is minus 1 x between minus 1 to plus 1. Even 1 is not possible because it comes in infinity. What is the x value between minus 1 to plus 1? What is the cos inverse x greater than or equal to 0? And modulus of x less than or equal to 1. Even this also just to prove that means even it is not necessary. A condition of x. What is the x value between minus 1 to plus 1? X is positive. Modulus means x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. This also minus 1, but it is equal to 1 आता, either equal to 1 नहीं आता है. Okay, so these are important properties. Now one I will prove. So deleted portions, that property is not there. Even just out of 3 I will prove first one. Let tan inverse of x is equal to theta, therefore tan theta equal to x. Where do you take RHS? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Tan inverse of 2 into tan theta, I am taking x is tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta. Tan inverse of tan 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Twice into, what is the theta value? Tan inverse of x. Hence, 2 into tan inverse of x equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay. Now I am taking right to left. RHS to LHS I am taking. RHS to LHS. All 3. Even this is x equal to tan theta only. Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square. Cos 2 theta comes. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. 2 theta. So 2 times of that. All the 3 are same substitution. Put x is tan theta. Tan inverse of tan 2 theta. X is tan theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta. X is tan theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Okay. I am giving that first one. X tan inverse of x theta. Here I am taking RHS. You will take RHS of this. I think cos inverse of cos 2 theta comes. You take this sin inverse of sin 2 theta is 2 theta. So this also important property. property, another type property. Three sin inverse of x, sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. 3 cos inverse of x, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. 3 tan inverse of x, tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Okay? So, conditions. X between minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2, cos 1 by 2 to 1, and minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root. So what is another property? That previous one is twice into. Now here 3 sin inverse, 3 cos inverse, 3 tan inverse. 3 sin inverse x is tan inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. 3 cos is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. 3 tan inverse of x is tan inverse of 3x. So these are same problems when comes in differentiation by method of substitution. So these are same problems. Now what is the question is asking? This is given, find dy by dx. So at least is the simplest form is 3 sin inverse. The derivative of sin is 1 by root of 3 by root of 1, let's say. A minus 3 by root of a 3 by 1 plus x. Even differentiation of inverse trigonometric function, this is only inverse trigonometric functions, okay? And write in simplest form, in terms of inverse only. So one I will prove. First one, I will prove that first one. Let sin inverse of x is equal to theta. Therefore, sin theta equal to x. Now here also RHS. Sin inverse of 3 into x minus 4x cube. Sin inverse of 3, x is sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, x is sin theta, 3 sin theta minus 1. What is the sin inverse of this sin theta, 3 theta formula only, equal to 3 theta. So what is about 3 into theta value sin inverse of x. Hence 3 into sin inverse of x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So this property I am not taking LHS, RHS to LHS. Better should take RHS to L. So which method you are taking? Substitution method. You are taking substitution. This is putting x is sin theta, putting x is cos theta, putting x is tan theta. Sin inverse of sin 3 theta, cos inverse of cos theta, tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Okay. Another property, sin inverse of 3 2 sin inverse of x, sin inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square. X belongs to minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root. Even this also same. Take RHS, x is sin theta. 2 sin theta, this is cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, sin inverse of sin 2 theta. So 2 sin inverse of x. Second one is 2 cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. This also 2 cos inverse of 2x. Putting x is this is cos inverse of cos root is 2 theta. Okay. This also property. So another without property. This is the last type property. Number 1, sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y, not only plus or minus, equal to sin inverse of x into root 1 minus y square plus or minus y into root 1 minus x square. If it is plus means plus answer, minus is minus answer. Both, this is also very important. I am telling this is not given in the textbook. Just you have to remember both sin inverse of x, sin inverse of problems are there. So problems, another method also comes. When it is given sin inverse, you convert into tan inverse. When you given cos, both the sin and cos convert into tan inverse. That is the secondary. Even direct formula is there. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of x into root 1 minus y square plus y. It is plus minus minus. Okay. So second one is cos inverse of x plus or minus cos inverse of y. Cos inverse of, so x, y, here plus is given, it is minus. Minus is given plus. Root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus y square. Cos inverse of x, here plus means here minus means a plus. So these are very important. Why here I am given? You know the tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, but even sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of x also is there. If sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is plus, sin inverse of x minus sin inverse of minus. Here plus बोले तो इधर minus लिखना, minus बोले तो ये plus. What is the cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y? Cos inverse of xy minus root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. So maximum property I explained. Even actually is telling that deleted in portion. It is not given proof also. Without proof is there. Even one. So if it is 3 properties means 1 I approved. Maximum nearly more than 10 properties, 10 types of properties. Okay. Even starting I given domain and range. That is a table for domain and range. Now I'll start the problems. Number 1, prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Take LHS. Okay, LHS only it is, LHS. Tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. I told you tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 whole divided by 1 minus 7 2 by 11 7 by 24. Okay, so here this is xy less than 1 only, it is given. Okay, multiplying these two, it is less than 1. So what is 24 into 11? 24 plus 4 to 264 equal to tan inverse of 264 is LCM. It is 48 plus 77 divided by 264 minus 14. Tan inverse of, so it is 5, 8, 48 plus 77, 48, 77 adding 5, so it is 8, 125. So I think it is 0, 5, 250. Tan inverse of 1 by 2. I am using tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Better 24 into 11 multiplying 264 is the LCM. When 264 here also, here both are cancelled. Here 48 plus 77, here 264 minus 14. So 125 by 250, it is 1 by 2. Next example, prove that 2 into tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse of 31 by 17. 31 by 17. This also same, LHS 2 into tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So what is the formula? 2 tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse of x, 2 tan inverse of x formula, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. I given property. 2x, 2 tan inverse of x, tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. This is x, no? 2 tan inverse of x. x place में 1 by 2 डालना. 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Tan inverse of 2 to cancel. I think 1, 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse of LCM 4 by 3, again same formula, 1 by 7, 4 by 21, 4 by 21. tan inverse of 28 plus 3, LCM 21 minus 4, tan inverse of 31 by what? 17. This is second problem. This is very important. 2 tan inverse of x formula, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Here x is 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus x square. So it comes tan inverse of 4 by 3, tan inverse of 1. If you repeat same formula, x plus y by 1 minus xy. Next example. Prove that tan inverse of 1 by 5, tan inverse of 1 by 7, tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. This is equal to pi by 4. Equal to pi by 4. So how many are given? There are 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Take LHS. Tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. You consider first two. Tan inverse of 1 by 3. Tan inverse of 1 by 8. This is second group. First group, a second group. Same x plus y by 1. Tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 by 1 minus 1 by 35 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8, 1 minus 1 by 24, tan inverse of LCM 35. So 5 plus 12 is 12 by 34 plus tan inverse of 11 by 23. So better makes that simplification. Better 2 6 2 7 plus tan inverse of 11 by 23. 11 by 23. 2 6 2 17. Equal to, once again, tan inverse of 6 correct, no? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 by 1 minus 35. A 5 plus is 12 आता 34, 2 6 2 17, correct. 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23 by 1 minus 6 by 17, 11 by 23. So better you take 17 into 23 LCM multiplying and you will get. So finally you will get tan inverse of 1 pi by 4. ये दोनों सेम आता है. 17 into 23 क्या आता है लिखना, इसको LCM आता 23 into 6 17 into 11. Okay, this comes pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4.